morning, scientists. I just wanted to show you what we have due this week. So if you go over to classwork and scroll down to light and reflection, on Monday we built a shadow box, and so there was nothing really to turn in there. On Tuesday we completed the shadow box lab. So if you open that, you go over to STEM Scopes and you go and fill out that lab. So that's one assignment. And then on Tuesday, oh, that's the Zoom meeting, so you can watch that if you missed class, and you can see how we filled that out together. On Wednesday, we did a Bill Nye, the Science Guy video, and a 3-2-1. And so that 3-2-1 is right here, and the Bill Nye video, and then there's the Zoom video if you missed class, so you can catch up on that. This 3-2-1 is due. And then I have an example up here of, the path of light for you to look at. If you get confused, that will help you with your lab. And then on Thursday, we built a kaleidoscope. And then today we finished up that lab and had a discussion. We did some guided notes. So everywhere that you see a little yellow box, you need to fill that in. And we did that together on the Zoom video. So you can open the Zoom video and I read it out loud to you. Or if you prefer, you can open up this link that's at the footer. And then this is the text that I read to everybody. And that's where you fill in those blanks from. So for example, it says right here, a kaleidoscope is a toy that uses light and mirrors to reflect objects. So if we go back to our guided notes, it says a kaleidoscope is a toy that uses light and mirrors to reflect objects. So you would write those words inside of there. So that's what we did today. And then we finished with a CER that we did together. That counts as a test grade. And so with us doing that together, let me pull that up. Looks like this. We talked about this little boy who was in a dark cave and he only had a flashlight. And he went to walk over towards the wall to look at the stream and he tripped over a rock. Why would that happen? And so we answered that by a claim. Why didn't he see that rock? So we talked about that in terms of light. And then our evidence, how do we know that? And then our reasoning is a scientific answer. So please log on to the Zoom video, which is posted right here. It actually loaded pretty quick today. I was impressed. So log on to the Zoom video and then you can complete the CER with us. And those are the things that are due this week. I have also put some makeup assignments here. These two makeup assignments are for, if you just need a couple of assignments to pick your grade up. But if you are missing a lot of assignments, this is the one that you can complete. It will teach you about waves, which is what we've been learning about this entire time. So you'll have to go through and complete the web quest. It is a lot of work and it's very lengthy and it's going to take you some time. However, if you're behind, you've missed 7 weeks of science class and what we've been learning about with waves. So the way a web quest works is that the very first one is going to talk about characteristics of a wave. You're going to click on this link and the very first question says, what is a wave? So you click on that link and then it takes you here. You have to read this information right here. And then I can see right here, it says waves are disturbances that cause media to vibrate. So I would go back to my web quest and I would type that in right here. And then it says fill in each box below with a sentence. So you would have to tell me what is a transverse wave and what is a longitudinal wave. How are they alike? And then how are they different? And then when you're ready to go on to your next quest, you click on the next link, which is right here. And then you're gonna use that to answer the questions below, and you keep going down through the document. So that is a very lengthy assignment for you to make up. But like I said, we're in week 7. We're about to go in week 8. And if you have missed a lot of assignments, this is the only makeup assignment that you can do. If you successfully complete the web quest and you fill it all out, I would be more than happy to go in and change your zeros to a passing grade. Okay? If you have any questions, as always, you can message me. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.